Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Okay, this hair is a hot mess right now. It's been about a month since we last toned it on here. I don't know why I would say we. I toned it on here. If you want to see my last toning video, I'll link it below. I'm out of breath from going up a flight of stairs. So here's where we are now. Originally for today's video, I was going to get bleach. I was going to bleach and tone, but my bank account told me not to get bleach. So we're just toning today. But I figure who doesn't love a good Wella T18 toning session with a really good before and after. My roots are getting bad, so I think that this will be a really nice change. And I love Wella T18. I will continue to film my toning sessions for you guys if you want. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and touch up this hair.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at.
So they do say don't start with the roots, but for today, since the roots are like really dark, I don't care. I'm just toning, and I am gonna start with the roots.
I've been looking at you all day, looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try.
Alright guys, so the change is subtle, but the main difference I see is the dark brown spots that were my natural dark brown that I applied the Wella T18 to did become a lighter brown. And then my blonde wasn't too brassy, but it did get, you know, a nice little tone to it. I even see some purplish blue tint right there, which is just leftover pigment from that. Check it out. I feel like a very kind of honey vibes, like golden brown and light ash blonde. I mean, I'm happy with it. It was a nice little touch up. You can see that. If you guys want to see me use the actual Wella bleach, just comment, let me know, and see you guys next time. Bye.